Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shamik Sajwani and you are watching Upskill Yourself. And in today's video, we'll be discussing the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. Anyone wanting to start a website using WordPress, you need to understand this first. Whether you'll be going with WordPress.com or WordPress.org, you'll have to do things very differently. So today I'll be sharing the key things that separates the two and all the pros and cons, so stick till the end. And like the video if you find it informative, comment and share as it really helps me a lot, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So we've already discussed what the difference between WordPress and HTML CSS is, what you should use to develop your website. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below and also in the iCard. But today, let's try to understand why there are two versions of WordPress available. Is one better than the other? So WordPress.org is a free open source software. It needs to be downloaded on your system first. Once downloaded, you have access to everything from themes to plugins to security, everything. But it will get difficult if you don't really know how to set up and install everything on your own. You have to find a web hosting for yourself, a domain, and set everything yourself. But if you're using WordPress.com, then everything will be done for you. You just have to create a website using a drag and drop manner. Other than that, WordPress.com hosts the website for you and also keeps a good security on your website. Although WordPress.org is free software, but not everything that includes using it is for free. So you need to understand what else you might need to get into. So apart from the installation of that, you'll have to buy a hosting for yourself, and which varies from different hosting companies. There are a bunch available like Bluehost, HostGator, GoDaddy, and many other. You can choose whatever you like and whatever suits your budget and run your website on it. So this hosting might cost you $30 to $50 a year, give or take. Then you'll also have to buy a domain name for your website, and because you'll need something customized to your need, it might get a bit pricey, and that might also cost somewhere around $10 to $30. And that themes and plugins are free, and if you know PHP and if you can get along with PHP, then you can also tweak it up to your own needs and to your own customization. I'm not talking about WordPress.com. They do have a free plan where you can just start your website, but it limits you to only 3 GB of storage space, which means you cannot put a lot of pictures and you cannot put a lot of posts on your website. You are limited to the amount of storage it gives you. However, you can upgrade their plan to get more storage, and with that you get additional features. You get more security, you get more themes, you get more plugins that might come very handy in future. If you're wanting to run an e-commerce website, then you will be needing those plugins anyway. So you might end up buying the paid version. WordPress.com does offer a free domain name, but you want to get something customized to your need, right? You cannot just live with that for the whole entirety of your project. You will be needing something which is customized to your brand, customized to your identity, and that might get a bit pricey. But they do offer website security and handles everything from hosting and everything on their own. But if the servers or the website goes down, you cannot do anything. You'll have to rely and you'll have to wait for the support team to help you with that, because it is not in your control. You don't have any control over anything. Whereas using WordPress.org, if anything goes down, you are in control and you can take care of it yourself. And the ads, you will be wanting your website to make money for you. You will be using it to generate a lot of income. So if you're using the free plan of WordPress.com, that is not possible at all. They will be playing their own ads and they will not be giving you any cut in that. You cannot play your own ads because that's a free plan. But if you upgrade the plan, you can run word ads on your website and try to generate money from that. However, if you are using WordPress.org, since everything is in your control anyway, you can play your own ads. You can use any ad company to monetize your website, and the best part is you can keep all the profits. You don't have to give any take or any cut from it. So, summing everything up, WordPress.com will give you a free domain name which is not customized if you're going with the free plan. If you try to upgrade it, then you can get it customized. They will offer you security, they will offer you web hosting. You don't need to do a lot of work. Moving on to WordPress.org, you get to do everything on your own. You have control over everything. You get to decide what themes you pick, the plugins, everything you have at your disposal. You can even choose the ad company to run ads on the website. You can generate money however you want to, and you can customize it to your needs completely. But if you compare the prices of the two, WordPress.org is quite a lower cost option. But at the end, it depends on you and your needs and what are you actually looking for it. This was a comparison from me that might help you make a decision. I hope this video helps you in any way. But if you still have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and you can always DM me on my Instagram at YT. And if you like the video, drop a like to it, share it with your friends, help each other out, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.